In this video, I'm going to debunk the top 2 myths I hear about qualifying for a mortgage all the time. Buying your first home can be a confusing process. There's a lot of information out there, from how much you should have saved, to closing costs, to what type of mortgages are best. But with the right guidance and information, the process can go smoothly. Myth number 1, you can't qualify for a mortgage if you have student loans. The reality is that being in debt doesn't mean you can't qualify for a mortgage. Your existing debts might actually be more of a speed bump than a roadblock. Lenders look at your debt-to-income ratio to determine how much of your monthly income is needed to meet your monthly obligations. The lower the number, the better chances you have of qualifying for a mortgage. So if you have a good handle on your current debt and can still afford a mortgage payment, you should be fine. Now, the actual debt-to-income ratio depends on the loan you're looking to get, whether that's FHA, VA, or conventional. I would suggest talking to a mortgage broker and see what your best options are. Myth number 2, you should find a place you want before applying for a loan. The reality is that knowing what you can afford before you start looking will save you a ton of time and headaches. The last thing you want to do is spend days looking at houses and finding your ideal home only to find out that it's not an option for you right now. In the end, when it comes to buying a home, the more prepared you are, the smoother the process will go. So if you're thinking about buying, put these 2 tips into practice and you'll be well on your way. Now, if you still have some questions about the home buying process, please feel free to reach out to me. Either comment below or send me a message, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have.